Beauty Queen 7-Day Glowing Skin Beauty Food Recipes. Day 1. Tremella and Mung Bean Drink. Ingredients: 40-gram mung beans, 10-gram tremella, 10-gram lily, rock sugar to taste, 600 ml or water. Instructions: combine ingredients. Use a blender to boil and blend until smooth. Drink regularly for hydration. Day 2. Red bean and apple smoothie. Ingredients: 20-gram red beans, 20-gram hyposis, 3 red dates, half apple, 400 ml water. Instructions: blend and use the soy milk mode for 20 minutes. Enjoy the fragrant, sweet drink for cleansing benefits. Day 3. Tremella and pumpkin blend. Ingredients: 80 grams pumpkin, 20 grams millet, 10 grams peanuts, 600 ml water. Instructions: blend and prepare using the soy milk mode. This silky drink is great for breakfast and hydration. Day 4. Lotus seed and lily soy milk. Ingredients: 20 gram soybeans, 20 gram lotus seeds, 10 gram Ganoderma lucidum, 800 ml water. Instructions: blend for over 20 minutes using the soy milk mode. Known for its beauty benefits. Day 5. Yam and apple mix. Ingredients: 80 green yam, half an apple, 30 grams millet, 5 red dates, 600 ml water. Instructions: blend and boil for a sweet, silky drink that aids digestion and comfort. Day 6. Yam and walnut blend. Ingredients: 50 grams yam, 3 walnuts, 15 grams peanuts, 30 grams millet, 3 red dates, 500 ml or water. Instructions: blend with high temperature until fragrant and silky. Nutritious and delicious. Day 7. Winter melon beauty food recipes. Winter melon and apple water. Winter melon juice. Ingredients: 500 grams winter melon, filtered water, lemon, honey. Instructions: juice and mix for a refreshing drink, perfect for summer. Winter melon barley soup. Ingredients: 300 gram winter melon, 20 grams barley, 10 grams poria cocos, 800 ml water. Simmer for 30 minutes to detoxify. These recipes harness the benefits of natural ingredients to promote glowing skin and overall health. Enjoy these recipes for radiant, glowing skin throughout the week.